In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Webflow. This is a fundamental skill that can enhance your website's navigation and improve user experience by seamlessly connecting your site's pages. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. If you're not already signed in, head over to Webflow and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Webflow dashboard, where you can see all your projects neatly organized in one place. This dashboard is your command center, allowing you to manage, create, and modify all your web projects efficiently. Now, from the dashboard, locate the project you wish to edit. This step is crucial, as you want to ensure that you're making changes to the correct project. Once you've found it, click on it to open the Webflow Designer. The Designer is where the magic happens. It's your workspace for editing and customizing your site. Within the Designer, identify the element you want to act as a link. This could be a button, a piece of text, or even an image, depending on where you want users to click. Selecting the right element will ensure that your users can navigate your site as intended. Click to highlight the element, signaling that you're ready to modify its properties. Next, shift your attention to the right-hand sidebar of your Designer interface, where you'll find the Settings tab. Click on it to open the Settings panel. This panel is where you adjust the functionalities and behaviors of the elements you've selected. In the Settings panel, scroll to locate the Link Settings section. This area is dedicated to configuring the hyperlinks that connect different parts of your site. Clicking inside this section reveals options for the type of link you want to create. For page linking, select Page as your link type. This ensures that the link will direct users to another page within your Webflow project. Once you choose Page, you'll see a drop-down menu listing all the pages available in your project. From this drop-down menu, choose the specific page you want your element to link to. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the right page, as ensuring accurate links is crucial for smooth navigation. Once you've set your link, there's one final step before these changes are visible to your site's visitors. You'll need to publish your website to apply the changes and make them live. Click the Publish button, and after processing, your changes will be updated on your live site. And there you have it. You've successfully linked pages in Webflow, enhancing your website's interactivity and user experience. Practice these steps, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for joining today's session, and happy designing.